Hello, I am back with This Is My Story from last week, but I'm back this week to explain a little bit about our new writing strategy that we're introducing this week. And that writing strategy is sounding out or slowing down words so that we can listen to those letters that are in them. We want to stretch those words out, say them nice and slowly, and then encourage students to listen for the sounds that we hear in those words. So this is the case for many of our words that are not sight words. Sight words we expect, especially if they're on the word wall or if students have access to a book or something with them in there, then we expect that those sight words would be spelled correctly. So this would be for irregular words or not sight words. So if I look at this sentence here of my favorite flavor of ice cream is vanilla, I see a few sight words. Those would be words that I would be encouraging students to use the word wall for. And then the other words that I haven't underlined here would be the words that I would encourage them to, okay, sound it out. What sounds do you hear? Let's write those down. So if I were to write this sentence using inventive spelling, this might be what it would look or sound like. So I know that word. That's a sight word. I can look for it, or if I know how to spell it, then perfect. Okay, my favorite. Okay, so that's an F. Favorite. My favorite flavor. Flavor of, that's a sight word, that one's on the word wall, of ice cream, is vanilla. And then my period. So as you can see, I've made spelling mistakes in this, but I can figure out what is trying to be written here. So I can sound this out, favorite. Yeah, that's how we say favorite. We don't say every sound in this word here. We say it like this. Here's favorite, and that's okay. Flavor, okay, of ice cream. Oh, now I'm looking back, I see that this says is. There's is here. I know that I didn't mean to spell is. There's a great teaching opportunity for you to be able to explain to your student about ice cream. Okay, I could also hear this you might not see one E, you might see two E's. We know that those two E's make an E sound. So does this. An EA makes an E sound. So it's an opportunity to teach students about some of those spelling rules. And if I saw a student have EE here, that's fantastic. I don't know if I would correct that because they understand, and I can tell by putting that EE there, they understand that EE makes an E sound. I talked in the blog about the ER sound. So flavor, here phonetically spelt, might look like this. But I can say, or it's an OUR in this case, but that's a teaching opportunity. If I saw a student write flavor, they're using their knowledge of as ER, which is fantastic. It's little things like that that I can say, oh, okay, I see a little teaching opportunity here. And once we teach them the concept behind that, then we might see it in different writings like this. Is it correct? No. Are they trying? Yes. Is it progress being made? Absolutely. What's not progress being made is rote memorization of spelling. And I know that that's the way that a lot of us traditionally learned, but evidence has shown that that's not the best way for kids to learn how to spell. So they will actually pick up spelling quicker if we teach them the rules behind the spelling rather than focusing on the memorization of each individual word. So I've also added a couple of links on the weekly work page that if you want a little bit more information about this, please check out those links. There's a really great YouTube channel on there with lots of videos, not only about inventive spelling and why that's important, but lots of other literacy activities for kids that might come in handy as you're working with them at home. So if you have a little bit of time, you've got some curiosity, I would definitely encourage you to check those out. Again, if you have any questions about this week's strategy, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask. Thanks. Bye.